Let's review together how we can use GitHub Copilot edits in agent mode to upgrade a code base. So here you see I asked it to upgrade a code base with an older version of the Azure RM provider for Terraform to upgrade it to a more modern version, use it with the new defined mock templates in Terraform, where the instructions are under the README file to test those changes, validate the changes and everything. So it understood the request, and first it did upgrade the version of the provider, as we can see in the main.tf, and now it's asking me permission to run the command to do the test of the configuration using the mock instruction, just as I defined it. So it understood how the mock test work, how to run it by the description in the README, and it's now running the command for me. So it's running in a new terminal the command. It got the output of the command, and it saw that it actually failed to run. Now, in all the errors that it found, it's found several deprecated attributes, several things that we need to refactor, to change, to add and remove. So this is what it's going to do for me right now. And you can see it's changing storage account.tf. It's slowly iterating throughout all the file, and now moving to Cosmos DB account, modifying these for me, and so on. Is going to continue for that until it finds and fixes all the error. And you can see that it does a first batch, and now it feels that there's a bit of things that are been fixed, so it want to try again. So it's asking you the permission again, and it's going to do another run. And if it finds newly introduced errors or errors that it didn't see before, it's going to do the same exact thing. It's going to get the run, get the result of the run, analyze the result, and fix them for me. So we can see that now we have a new problem with a variable delegation block inside one of the files. So it's going to edit it for me and do another iteration until it is fixed. So we can see that after a while, it does the same thing again, continue. I can authorize it to run again, and for me, implement whatever needs to be done. Again, until we're finished, until we're done, this will continue, and you can stop it at any time, or you can let it continue for you until you're satisfied and until everything works. So that's really the power of the agent mode, doing the work for you, testing for you, implementing the changes for you. So I can say continue if I want. I can review the changes that have been done in my source control tree, like I see the browsing here on the left-hand side of the screen. But also I can use the controls of the GitHub Copilot edit working set, which is probably the best way to do. So I go there, I click on the source file on the working set, and I can directly accept the changes that it made. We can see the difference as usual in red or green, depending if it's an add or delete. And I can take that and accept it in my code base. So that's already changes that have been validated here. And you guess it, it's a very big code base that I'm having now, so it's gonna take a while, but this is the power of it. It's iterating for me, it's doing the job for me, but I'm still in control of what happens in my environment.